was on my way through the park when I noticed that a witch stole all the colors to the rainbow. Can you help me find them? Click on the rainbow to get started. Do you see a rainbow anywhere? Great job! What color word matches this color? This looks like the color red. Which one of these words says red? Very good. R-E-D spells red, red, red. R-E-D spells red. Good job! What color word matches this color? This time we have orange. Which one of these words says orange? Great work! Right here in the middle. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange, orange, orange. What color word matches this color? This time we have yellow. Which one of these words says yellow? Great job! In the middle again. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow, yellow, yellow. What color matches this color word? Looks like this time we have the color green. Which one of these words says green? Great job! G-R-E-E-N, green, green, green. What color word matches this color? This time we have blue. Which one of these words says blue? Great job down here at the bottom. B-L-U-E, blue, blue, blue. What color word matches this color? This time it looks like we have the color purple. Which color word says purple? Very good, in the middle. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple, purple, purple. What color word matches this color? This time we have the color pink. Which one of these words says pink? Great job down here at the bottom. P-I-N-K, pink, pink, pink. What color word matches this color? This time we have the color white. Which one of these words says white? Fantastic! In the top. W-H-I-T-E, white, white, white. What color word matches this color? This time we have the color gray. Which word says gray? Great job down at the bottom. G-R-A-Y, gray, gray, gray. What color word matches this color? Quick, answer this last question to scare the witch away. Oh boy, friends, this time we have the color black. Which one of these words says black? I think you've got it. B-L-A-C-K, black, black, black. Great job, you did it! Thank you for all your help today. And great job reviewing those color words.